Hi, I'm Paul Topier. We're kind of wrapping things up here at Gibson Performance Exhaust. Oh, there's no wrapping, there's no packing inside of anything that they make. Just high quality performance exhaust. A lot of you people know who Brian Deegan is. He's that guy who's always dirty. Yeah, he's covered in dirt, sand, motocross, Lucas Oil Champ, all that good stuff. And you may know about Metal Mulishia. Okay, and here to talk about it is Sean Gibson. And these are kind of crazy.
No, they definitely are. You know, we've been friends with the Deegan family for a long time, worked with them, and some might even know him now more by Haley, his daughter, or his sons, and Danger Boy and them. But he's definitely doing things right, and we've always wanted to have a loud, aggressive system. Some of you guys might already be aware of this system, but it's really. If you ever ask yourself, I want my truck to be loud, I want to be aggressive, I actually want to be the loudest, I kind of want my neighbors to hate me, when I start up in the morning and start hashtagging neighbor hater and stuff on this stuff. This is really that system for you. I mean, we offer for all the light duty 1500 trucks like Nissan, Titans, everything. And in short, really what it is, let's just say you have a Nissan Titan. You're going to buy a system that has a 4-inch head pipe. That is the muffler, 4-inch over axle pipe, and it's going to have a 6-inch tip coming out the side. Our regular kit for your 1500 with a 6-inch tip. I mean, it's massive.
That is crazy.
It's aggressive. I mean, we did spend some time too in that muffler, although it doesn't appear there's a whole lot going on. We spent a lot of time to just try and give it a tuned sound. We didn't want it to sound like a straight pipe.
No.
We wanted to have a good sound. I mean, that's what we do. It's Gibson, and we want to make sure that the voice this kit was speaking on your truck was a good representation of what Deegan would want to. So, I mean, this is hand-picked by him. We worked a lot with it to get it together, but it's all stainless steel. And if for some reason you've already got a system on there, you're happy with it, and you want the tips, we sell these tips as universal tips and got 5-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch if you want to go big.
Those are pretty radical.
I mean, you can even use the 8-inch as a mailbox if you guys wanted.
Hey, that would actually make a cool mailbox.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
You can fabricate your own lid, I guess. I don't know. Made in the USA with a lifetime limited warranty. That's Gibson Performance Exhaust. I'm Paul Topier with Sean Gibson, live from their booth at SEMA 2017.